Aubrey and I'm doing this cooking show. Today we're going to make German pancakes. And it's going to be good. Dad filming and Mom watching us and Willie just standing in the face of me.
I'm on the way.
Okay, now we have to start. First we have 5 tablespoons of butter. Okay, now I got to cut up the butter. Okay, we got our pan. Check. Okay, I want to cut it. Now we get to cut. Okay.
What do we need to do with the oven?
We need to set it to 425 minutes.
Degrees.
I mean degrees. I just a silly one. Now we have to cut up this butter. Oh, is it too big? We have a best cooking show, and after my first time doing this. And this is my favorite cooking show. And I never done it before. Okay, cut it. Now, what do we do next? Now we have to spread it around. Oh, this is a big piece. I better get it cut. Sorry for the interruption. So now I get to... Oh! Good. Sorry. Place it around the pan. Now, I am going to put this right here. Good. It's, I'm gonna put this away. It's so buttery. Now, we put it in the oven. What did you do with mine? Sorry.
Do you want me to put it in the oven?
No.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Now, we have to do a check mark on the, we got the check mark on this, on the paper. The recipe. Now, second, 6 eggs. Okay, I got the eggs. Oh, and one more that I will crack. Crack, crack, crack. Oh, a little more. Okay. That is good. Ow! That's hurting. Would you help me?
I gotta say, this cooking show is pretty exciting.
Get it? Oh yes, put it in the blender. Oh, thanks, Mommy. Now, eggs. Now, 1 cup of flour. I got it. Now. Okay, I better put the check mark. Good. Now we get. Now milk.
How much?
1 cup.
1 cup of milk.
Oh, did someone say milk?
Sorry, it's
I
not for you.
I would like some milk.
1 bit. That's a little bit.
Tell them what you did.
We first.
1 pinch of salt.
Okay. Now we got 1 pinch of salt, and we first did 6 eggs. Then we get 1 cup of milk. Then we did flour, and now. Oh yes.
What is that, Aubrey?
This is vanilla.
How much?
1 tablespoon. A teaspoon. Now what do we do? We put it on the blender.
Start low.
Start low.
Now what are you doing, Aubrey?
Doing the splash up. Hey, I wanted to do it.
Scrape down the sides.
Strike, spray. This is kind of fun. Good. Now we take the pan out, please, Mom. Now I have to do everything on this side. It's really raining outside, and we are putting this pan out. Be careful because it's hot. Just in case. Now we pour this in. Good. Now the German pancakes will be right here. Good. Now we put it in the oven for 22 minutes. Well, now I can do my brownies by myself. Now while we wait for the oven, we will get the brownies. Make the brownies. Swelling.
Oh, sorry.
Now we are making the brownies. It's going to be very exciting, right, Willie?
Good.
Starting with this.
Tell them how much it is.
I don't have the list.
4
cup of oil. Can it be done? This is my serious ways. Now to pour it in. I had a loose on my tooth just fell. Dad pulled my tooth out. And Mom is getting the eggs. The eggs. One egg.
Alexa, play Love Story by Taylor Swift.
Daddy! Sorry, it just hurt my fingers, and I do not want to get my hands messy. Or any shells inside, or I will get my hands messy to get it out. So, Mommy is getting hot water.
4th cup
4th of a cup
of
water. Now we had the chocolate for the brownies. The time that we ate brownies with our family, it was the best time ever. And I smile for all of our family's helpers. Now I get to do it, and this is for our dessert at dinner. You can make it sometime. And it's very good. It's made out of real chocolate. Now we add the chocolate. We put this in, all of it. Yes, we put all of it in. Now we put all of it in. Now we got all of it in. Almost all of it is done. So now, look at the chocolate going into the eggs. Okay, now we have to mix. It's hard.
Hold the candle.
Oh yeah, I am holding the handle. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, so messy. You can talk to the friends while I'm mixing, okay?
Alexa, play Shake It Off by Taylor Swift.
It's going to be the best brownies. Oh, I have to wipe this thing. Look how chocolatey it is. Look how chocolatey it is. Look how much chocolate. Is it cool, isn't it? Now, it's the best time where we mix and mix. Mix and mix and mix. Now we have to spray. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I excited to this is my first time. It looks like, it feels like sunscreen.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Okay. Now getting on. Now chocolate chip right inside there. Oh, Daddy. We'll stop mixing now. Now then.
It looks very chocolate.
It's a chocolate dough, isn't it?
It's batter.
It's called the fat of the chocolate. Mom, I am good with being by myself and doing it. Well, I can't do it without some help from my mom. Oh, there's a lot of chocolate. Now we just spread this and put it right in. Huh?
Cooking makes Lily very sleepy.
Chloe. Put it in the oven.
325 degrees.
325 degrees. Alexa, put the timer.
You got 13 minutes left on the
13 minutes. The brownies have cooked for 35 minutes. Sorry. 35 degrees. Okay, when we come back, the German pancakes will be out of the oven.
It's snack time with Emery.
I'm doing snack time with me and with my family all. And I love my sister Aubrey and mommy. And Aubrey's so silly.
So what are you making, Emery?
I'm making a banana peel.
Ooh, sounds yummy. What are you doing?
I'm cutting the banana in half. Do it. Chocolate. That's so funny. You just love chocolate. Now, you put it on the banana, not in your mouth. There we go. Now a little more. Okay, yeah, that's great. Now you put it on the banana. Good. Now you talk. And now we do not eat. Henry, put it on the banana.
Okay, Emery, tell them what you're doing. Tell them what you're doing.
I'm putting the chocolate in my mouth on the banana. Because I love it. Emery, now put it on the banana, not in your mouth. Or me, baby. Hey guys, she is eating. Emery, put it on the banana, not in your mouth. So Aubrey's not being nice to me, camera. Yeah.
Okay, now try one out. And that was snack time with Emery.
This is tasty yummy. I've never seen that. I can see. Check the German pancake. Ooh, it looks so yummy. You want to see it? It is German pancake butterfly.
Sprinkle it with powdered sugar.
Powder, 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 sugar. Good job. Now it's my turn. No.
Now, how do you eat it? Like this?
No. So we can be done until we eat. Bye. It's Aubrey again, and getting this, we are going to. Dad is going to take the
Chef Aubrey and Chef Emery are now going to try the German pancake and
The brownie! Yay! This looks yummy. This looks
okay,
yummy.
tell them how it tastes.
It's the best thing ever.
Now, how are the ways that you can eat it? Can you eat it with syrup? Well, you don't like it with syrup, but could they eat it with syrup if they like syrup?
Yes! Me!
What else could they do?
Me! They could do it all now and
Tell them, Aubrey. Tell them all about your chef stuff. Tell them what you made.
We made German pancakes and brownies. Spectacle! It's really yummy.
No, these brownies are very hot. See? Smells like chocolate.
This tastes really good.
This is yum.
Meow. It's really good, and it's a German pancake. I hope you like our video, and it's going to cool. This is going to cool down. So bye for now.